I'm going to show you how to cut a mango today. You want to find your mango heavy in weight. You want it with yellow, reds, a little green will not hurt. Like this one is almost completely yellow. Start by removing the ends of the mango. Look how pretty that is on the inside. That color is so mesmerizing. That way we have a flat surface to set our mango on. Start here in the middle. By the way, I'm using a paring knife. And we're going to go around that fibrous seed in the center. Take it over here to this side. And let your knife follow along that fibrous seed. That looks fantastic. With the knife, we're going to score it. Don't go all the way through the skin. Now we're going to turn it this way. And to serve it, we just open it up like this. And you can just lie it on a plate. That's the way you can eat your mango. Another way, peel it. Be very careful when working with a knife. Just go under the peel of the mango and the skin. And you can make cubes of mango. Also, you can peel it and slice your mango as well. I'll go ahead and peel it. Be very careful when working with a knife. So important. Lie it flat side down and just make 1/4 inch slices. There you go. 3 different ways. You've got your cubed mango, your slices of mango, and your mango still left on the skin. This is my favorite way of eating it. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.